Today, we're going to show you how to change that blade on your Milwaukee Edger. Now, it's fairly easy, but if you've never done one before, it could throw you for a loop. Once you get it changed out, there is no better feeling of getting those deep, crispy edges on your lawn than when you change your blade for the first time. And if you didn't know that you had to change your blade on your Edger, this is the video for you. We're going to show you how to do it. It is really, really easy. Look, not all of us have grown up using an Edger, and this may be the first time that you've purchased one. So let's get right into it. Edging and flip-flops, you feel alive with those rocks being kicked back against your skin. So the one thing about changing the Edger blades is that it's pretty universal. It's not just exclusive to Milwaukee or whatever brand that you have, but we're going to go ahead and do one on Milwaukee, but this kind of applies to all the different brands. Now, I've had my Edger for about a year and a half, never changed the blade, and only until recently did I notice I wasn't really quite happy with the way it was edging the yard, and that just got me thinking, what, maybe I need to change the blade. Now, you can use any universal 8-inch blade that has the 1-inch center arbor. So that gives you some flexibility in what you can buy. The brand new ones you can see are about 8 inches, and the one that I've had on my Edger itself is about 6 inches. So we've lost a lot of length over the last year and a half, and it's definitely due for a replacement. All right, so turn your Milwaukee over, and on the bottom, and again, this is going to be kind of universal for all Edgers, you're going to want to find this little hole. We're going to want to get it to the point to where you see that space where it gets all black. That's the opening to where we can put a screwdriver in to basically lock the blade down so it doesn't turn when we take the blade off. So just put in some kind of a straight edge screwdriver or something that fits into that hole, lock it down to where it doesn't turn, and then what you're going to do is you see here where it says off, and you're going to actually go clockwise, which is righty-tighty. That's the thing that kind of throws people if they've never done this before. To get it off, you're actually going to turn it righty-tighty. All right, when you get the bolt off, don't lose the bolt or this washer. Is this a washer? I don't know if this is a washer or not, but don't lose those two pieces. Get your new blade, compare it with the old one. It's kind of nice, kind of neat to put them side by side just to see how much work you've done over the past year or so and how much steel that you've ground down doing your edges. But go ahead and place the new Edger blade right on there, put the washer back on, put the bolt back on. Again, it's going to go counterclockwise to tighten it, so that washer holding nut, whatever that is, goes flat side, the big side, up against the blade. Once you get it tightened, you're almost there, you're almost ready to go. Let's talk about the replacement blades. I said these are all pretty universal, and changing the blade out on most Edgers are all kind of the same anyways. If you want to keep it within Milwaukee, you can buy Milwaukee branded blades, but they're kind of pricey. One is like $10. You can get a pack of 5 for about $37. Now, after doing a little research, I just bought a 10-pack of steel blades made in the USA on Amazon for $24.99. It's a better value. I'll let you know if these blades hold up as well as the Milwaukee's do, but let me know if you've had some experience using the knockoffs versus the branded blades. I don't think it really matters.